Hello my dear students, I'm happy to see you again here in the science class. Let me tell you one thing children, please download your worksheet of lesson number 1 and 2 from the description box of this video. These are in the PDF form, okay, and try to find out the answers of these worksheets, okay. Now let's start our lesson. Okay, in this video here are some pictures. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, these are all birds. You can see in the picture. Can you give me the name of these birds? First one is parrot, second one is pigeon, and third one peacock. Very good. These all are birds. Okay, so in this video we will learn about birds. We will study about birds. Okay. Now let's start. Contents of this video are body parts of a bird, feathers, beaks, feet and claws. All these we will study in this video. How do birds fly? Nest of birds, birds bath and care of birds, and at last we will do the exercises. Okay children, these are the contents of this video. All will do. Okay, birds. Do you know children, birds are very beautiful animal found in nature. They are very colorful. We see different types of birds in our surrounding. They are of different color, different shape and different sizes. Most of the birds can fly, but some of the birds cannot fly. Do you know the name of some birds which cannot fly? Yes, penguin, ostrich, emu. They cannot fly in the sky. Structure of a bird. Like us, we are having different body parts. Okay, same as like that, birds are also having different body parts. They have 2 eyes, 2 wings, a beak, 2 legs and a tail. Okay, these are the body parts of a bird. As you can see in the picture, all are labeled. The body of bird is covered with feathers. Now let us study about them one by one. Feathers. Feathers are of different types. Okay. Feathers are of 3 types. Body feather, down feather and flight feather. These are of 3 types. Body feather cover a bird's body. They give them shape. Okay, they give them shape to the bird. Down feather are a small, soft and fluffy. They keep the body warm. Okay, this is the function of the down feather. Flight feather, they are long. They present on tail and wings. They help a bird to fly. Okay, these are the different types of feather present on birds' body. Okay, and their functions are also different. Bird's feather, they give shape. Okay, they give shape and they keep the body warm and they help to fly. These are the different types of feathers as you can see in the picture also. Okay, now our next one is food habits of birds. Birds show different types of feeding habit. Okay, different type of birds eat different type of food. They eat insects. Some birds eat insects, some birds eat fruits, some birds eat grains, okay, etc. Most of the birds feed small insects also, and some birds feed small animals also. Sparrow eat grains and vultures eat flesh of dead animal, as you can see in the picture. Penguins and kingfisher eat fish. Hummingbirds suck nectar from the flower. Different birds have different types of beaks and they depend on the different types of food they eat. Okay, they are having different type of beaks. Now one by one we will read different type of beaks of a bird. Birds don't have teeth. We are having teeth? Yes, but birds don't have teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. Different birds have different types of beaks. Okay? And why they are having different type of beak? Because they eat different type of food. Different types of beaks are, first one, short and strong beak. Some birds like pigeons, sparrow and peacock, you can see in the picture, they are having short and strong beaks. Why they are having this type of beak? To crush the seed and grains, because they eat seeds and grains. That's why they are having this type of beak. Second type, broad and flat beaks. Water birds like duck and goose, they have broad and flat beak. Okay, and on their beaks they are having tiny holes on either side. And why they are having tiny holes? To filter out the excess water. Okay, and what are water birds here? What do you mean by water birds? Water birds, those live in water. The birds can swim in water. Most of the time they live in water. That's why they are called water birds. Strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Some birds like eagles and vulture, hawk, they have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. They use their beaks to tear the flesh they eat. As you can see in the picture, at the end point of that, the tip of that beak is curved and sharp. Why? Because to tear the flesh. Okay. Next one, long and pointed beaks. Some birds have long and pointed beaks. Why they are having long and pointed beaks? To suck the nectar from the flowers. Example, sunbird and hummingbird. They are having long and pointed beak. Next one, short and curved beak. Climbing birds. What are climbing birds? Those can climb on the tree. Good. And examples are here, woodpecker and parrots. They are climbing birds. Parrot has a short and curved beak to crack the nuts and seeds. Okay, because parrot eat nut and seeds. Pointed and chisel beak. Woodpecker has a pointed and chisel beak to make hole in the tree trunk and pull out insect. Woodpecker digs the tree trunk to find out the insects. Okay, they eat the insects, so they dig the tree trunk. Okay, and woodpecker is having pointed and chisel beak. Spear shaped beaks. Kingfisher and cranes beaks are spear shaped. They are designed for fishing. Okay, without getting wet, they can find out the fish in the shallow water. That's why they are having spear shaped beaks, as you can see in the picture. Okay, now we will go to the next one, feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with claws. They use their feet to walk, to hop, to swim and to hold their food. These are the feet and claws of the birds. We will read now. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. We will study one by one. First one is perching bird. As you can see in the picture, pigeon, sparrow and crow. Peacock, they are having 3 toes in front, 1 toe at the back. Their claws help them to hold on the branches or wire firmly. These are called perching birds. If I ask you a question here, what are perching birds? Perching birds can hold the branches and wire firmly with their claws. An example of these type of birds? Yes, good. Next one, flesh eating bird. Eagles, vultures, owls and kites. They have very sharp and curved claws. These type of claws are called talons. They hold their prey while flying with these type of claws. As you can see in the picture, eagle, 2 toes in front and 2 toes at the back side. Okay, and they hold the prey firmly. Okay. Next one, scratching bird. Hens have strong feet. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back side. Each toe has a sharp claw and they use their claw to scratch and dig the ground to find the worms. Okay, so we can say that hen is a scratching bird. Next one, climbing bird, wading bird and swimming bird. We will read one by one. Climbing birds, woodpecker and parrot. You have already done that. Woodpecker and parrot are climbing birds. They use their toes to climb the trees. They have 2 toes on the front and 2 toes at the back side. Second, wading birds, herons and cranes have long thin legs with spread out toes. These toes help them to walk in shallow waters. So they can walk easily. Swimming birds, ducks and swan have webbed feet. Their feet work like a pedals, so they can swim easily in water. As you can see in the picture, the skin of the swimming bird's feet, they joined yes, with the claws. They are joined with the claws, so they behave like paddles. That's why they can swim easily in water. Okay, these are the different types of birds. They are having different type of feet. How do birds fly? Birds fly with their wings. Do we fly? No, we cannot fly. Why? Because we are not having wings. Some more other reasons are there. They can fly easily in the air because of the following reasons. One by one we will read. The bones of the birds are hollow that keep their body light. Okay. Second, their boat-shaped body help them to move fast in the air. As you can see in the picture, boat-shaped body, and aeroplane also boat-shaped. Okay. Their body is also, aeroplane's body are also boat-shaped. They have strong flight muscles connected to their wings. These muscles help the birds to flap the wings in upward direction and in downward direction. Okay, as you can see in the picture, the strong muscles are connected with the wings. And at last, the tail of a bird help them to change the direction. These 4 points, they help them to fly easily in the air. Okay, we are not having these all 4 reasons. That's why we do not fly in the air. Okay, birds are flying here. You can see in the picture also. Yes, they are having feathers. They are having strong muscles. They are having tail also, and their bones are hollow. These all 4 points come together and help them to fly easily in the air. Some more points are here. The wings of a bird make two types of movements. Which type of movements? Two types. One is upward movement of the wing is called upper stalk. You can see in the picture. The downward and forward movement of the wings is called down stalk. The wings behave like a swimmer. Okay, behave like a Now next one is nest of birds. Birds also need shelter. We also need shelter. House. Yes, we also need house. We live in house, bungalow, flat. Same as that of birds also live in the shelter, and their shelter is called nests. Yes. Birds also need shelter to live. Their shelter are called nest. They need nest too. Why they need nest? They need nest to lay eggs, protect their eggs from heat, cold and rain. Nourish their young ones till they are independent. Okay, these are the reasons. So the birds need nest. Different types of birds are having different types of nest. We will read one by one. Sparrow. It makes its nest in houses or on the trees. It uses grass, twigs and threads to make its nest. As you can see in the picture, they can use dry twigs, dry leaves and threads also. Okay. Next one, tailor bird. It uses leaves with its beak. It uses plant fiber, insect silk and threads to sew leaves. As you can see in the picture, tailor bird made a beautiful nest with the leaves. Okay. Woodpecker. It pecks at a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. This hole is used as a nest. As you can see in the picture, woodpecker makes the nest in the tree trunk. They dig the tree trunk, okay, and eat insect and live in that hole. That is the nest also. Okay, we call nest. Different types of birds make the different types of nest also. Okay. Next one, weaver bird. A weaver bird weaves grasses, twigs and leaves using its beak to make the nest. Its nest hangs from the branch of a tree. As you can see in the picture, it has an opening at the lower end. Okay, as you can see, the bird is entering from the down because it is opened from the down, lower end. Okay. Eagle and vulture. They make their nest high on the tree by gathering sticks. They use dry sticks. They arrange the sticks in the form of a shallow cup that is not deep. Okay. Their nests are not deep. Okay. They are shallow and like a cup. Next topic is our bird bath and a care of a bird. Bird bath is an artificial puddle or shallow container that carries water for the birds. It is usually placed in gardens. Birds can drink bath and cool themselves in this water. If I ask you here one question, what is bird bath? Bird bath is a shallow container, okay, that carries water in it. And we can keep this water or this container at the open place for the birds. So they can come easily and they can drink, they can bath, they can cool themselves in this water. This is called bird bath. Now we will go to the next one. Care of birds. We should take care of birds by the following ways. We should not hurt birds, okay, by throwing the stones. We should give them water and food. We should not put them in cages. Do you know why? Because we also love freedom. Birds also love freedom only. So we should not put them in cages. We should not touch the eggs of birds. We should take care of injured birds. These are the steps. If we can follow, then we can take care. Now fill in the blanks with correct words. Birds have blank to eat food. Birds have beak. Yes, because birds do not have teeth. Birds have beaks to eat food. First one answer is beak. Tail helps a bird to change its, which one will be the answer? Yes, direction. Tail helps the bird to change its direction. Birds flap their blank to fly. Wings. Yes, wings is the correct answer. Birds flap their wings to fly. Flight feather help a bird to fly. And birds have 2 feet with, what they are having with the feet? Claws. Yes, birds have 2 feet with claws. Here are the answers. Beak, direction, wings, fly and claws. These are the answers. Now children, please, again I'm telling you, download your worksheet of lesson number 1 and 2 from the description box of this video. These are in the PDF form. Please solve at home and stay home, stay safe. We will see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.